6 weeks till graduation. Who will meet Novelli standards?
And the phone's ringing as soon as I start recording you.
Jean-Christophe Novelli. He's a world-renowned Michelin star chef.
Hello.
And he runs one of the top cooking academies in Europe.
Look at his beauty.
Now, he's bringing his academy to America.
Fabulous. This is fabulous. You're fabulous. Voilà. The smell of this is amazing.
I'm recording the baby playing with the rainforest.
I use a lot of juice in my cooking. It's something I've experienced for years and years and years.
I sure did.
We believe juices are
Didn't
the
even
greatest
remember it
way
was on.
to start the day. What the heck is going on there?
Yeah, I've been watching the Chef Academies. I
Can't believe it. This is so stupid.